welcome to my channel. My name is Devin and today I'm going to be cleaning my room. So my room has gotten a bit dirty over the past few months. I'll insert some clips here of what it looks like now. It's quite a mess, and it did not help with all of Christmas and all of getting ready for things, holiday parties, events, all of that. So today I'm gonna be cleaning. I'm gonna be organizing my desk, my floor, my bed area, and my side tables. I am planning on doing a room makeover video in the future, so stay tuned for that. And today I am not going to be doing my closet because it should be a whole separate video. So stay tuned for a closet clean out and declutter. I'm planning on decluttering a lot of stuff in my room and getting things in the right place, donating, throwing things out, all that kind of stuff, because it's gotten way worse than I have ever expected it to be. So without further ado, here's my room cleaning video. So that is all I have for you today, my lovely people. Thank you for joining me on cleaning my room. I know it's not completely perfect because I am going to be redoing my room very soon in the future. So there are some things that are just miscellaneous that will be put on shelves, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. And if you would like to see a closet clean out, also let me know because I really want to do that and I think it would be a very interesting video because I need to clean my closet. But anyways, thank you all for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like, and if you want to continue to see more of my face, subscribe down below and maybe turn on the notification bell and leave a comment. But thank you so much and I'll see you next time. 4 is superior, 9 is the worst. Bye guys.